Impact Radius Honest Review. Watch before using. Impact Radius, now known as Impact.com, is one of the leading affiliate marketing and partnership management platforms designed for brands, agencies, and publishers looking to streamline their affiliate programs and drive revenue. This platform is packed with powerful tools, offering end-to-end solutions to manage affiliate partnerships, optimize campaigns, and scale growth. For affiliates and brands, Impact provides robust features for tracking and reporting, with real-time data on conversions, clicks, revenue, and more. It also includes automated workflows, which save you time by simplifying repetitive tasks like approvals and payments. One standout feature is Impact's AI-driven optimization, which helps predict top-performing partners and marketing opportunities, letting you strategically focus resources where they'll yield the highest returns. Impact is best suited for larger businesses and enterprise-level companies that need a high degree of customization and extensive data. With Impact, you're not just getting a basic affiliate platform. You're getting a complete partnership management solution that integrates seamlessly with CRM and e-commerce platforms, giving you full visibility and control over your partner relationships. Impact also supports influencers, ambassadors, and mobile partners, which makes it especially versatile for multi-channel marketing strategies. The platform's dashboard can be a bit complex for beginners, though, and the learning curve may take time if you're new to affiliate management. Plus, the cost can be significant compared to other affiliate platforms, so it's ideal for businesses ready to invest in comprehensive performance solutions. Overall, if your goal is to maximize your partnership potential, Impact offers unparalleled control, insight, and scalability. For experienced marketers and agencies handling multiple client accounts or brands, Impact's depth of functionality and scalability are its strongest selling points. However, smaller businesses or those looking for a simpler affiliate tool might find it more than they need and could consider alternatives. That said, for those ready to grow and manage complex affiliate ecosystems, Impact.com is a solid, reliable choice that many leading brands trust. So, if you're in the market for a robust partnership management platform, Impact could be worth the investment. Just be prepared for a learning period to fully leverage its capabilities.